Hey there. I want to show you how you can use AI PDF and AI Drive to create a social media post, like a LinkedIn post. And I'm going to do that actually with a post that I have to create for for my feed on LinkedIn. So I created this video about AI PDF like a couple days ago, and then I want to now do a LinkedIn post. And so I use Loom, which I kind of highly recommend. It's a great platform for creating a desktop video. And in Loom, you can just download a transcript. You see the option here. They have a transcript, so we can download that. But you can do that in YouTube as well. So I'm just going to hit download here, and it's downloaded. And it downloads in this SRT file extension, but it's the same as a text file. So you can just rename that for TXT, which is something that AI Drive now accepts as well. So we go to AI Drive, and then I'm just going to go and select, and you see the files here, creating version of social media posts with different AIs and fact checking. So I'm going to open that, and so importing that text file here. And again, like AI Drive now works with text files, PDFs, Excel, CSVs, Markdown files. So yeah, so we uploaded, and you can see here in the viewer on the side the transcript, right? And I'm just gonna go and start using the AI feature here. So go into the chat, right? And you can choose which model you want to use. And we're actually gonna do that to compare a little bit between different models. But let's start with like a new model, GPT-4o Mini, right, which is very cost-effective, fast. And I'm just gonna say, acting as an expert social media manager, create a post for my LinkedIn based on this video transcript. I will share the video link with the post. And let's see how it does. So it's going over 4 pages. It's going to read the whole transcript. And let's kind of fire it up and see how GPT-4 Mini goes. Yeah, optimizing social media content with AI, game changer. Social media professional excited to share how you can use AI to take your LinkedIn content to the next level. Okay, in the video, the presenter. Yeah, so I don't like how this is like in the third person, right? So I'm gonna follow up saying, make it first person and more informal. I am sharing this as the co-founder behind AI Drive. Yeah, go right to the point. Oh yeah, and since we are in the Olympics, I thought that Olympics might be a good theme since we're kind of comparing, you know, how you can use different models. So I'm gonna say we are in the middle of the Olympic Games, so maybe that theme could work. And okay, so let's see. We're actually using haiku, so we can try a different model later. Hey everyone, decided to share how you can use AI to take your social media content next level, just in time for the Olympics. As the co-founder of AI Drive, recently discovered some game-changing tools. Yeah, this is still not good. Let's see if a different model does a better job. So I'm going to kind of go back here and click the chat again. And let's go with Sonnet, which is a much better model. And I'm going to kind of copy my first prompt here. But I'm going to improve that because I can see how it's a little bit unclear that and the founder who, like the perspective, right? And the founder of AI Drive. Okay. All right, so I think this might be better. We're using Sonnet, which is a much better model. Consider kind of like state of the art. So let's see how he does. Okay. Okay, so it says, yeah, it goes beyond what ChatGPT can do. Multi-model support, side-by-side view. Okay, this is much better. I like the way of the use of the emojis. Yeah, I feel like it's a little too markety for my voice and tone, so let's give this feedback. It's good, but a bit long and too marketing speech for my voice and tone. Okay, so let's see how he does with this follow-up. Okay, this is much better. Just share a quick demo of AI Drive in action. We're pushing beyond basic PDF uploads. Here's what's cool. Okay, I really like this. It's much more to the point. Multiple AI models for diverse content creation, side-by-side view. Okay, all right, this is much better. Yeah, I really like this. And the cool thing is in AI Drive, you can actually come in here and just say, I'm just gonna go edit this. So you go in this here, edit, and I can open this in a text editor, right? So you can see it here, and you can basically edit this like you would do as a normal document, and you can save in AI Drive. All right, hope you found this useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.